Hello, happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody. We're going to do this one called Clover Leaf. I've pinned it to my Pinterest page in case you want to find it. It's called Clover Leaf. It's done on she does it on graph paper, so it is done on a grid. Basically, it's a 4-square grid. You do 3 little leaves. And then in the 4th corner, you do 4 dots. Okay, and then you can either put it like a random. You can put it going this way, however you want to do your leaves. So I'm going to need a grid. I'm going to need a pen. I'm going to need a piece of paper. And decide how I want to do this. So let me put this over here. Let me turn on my light and find a piece of paper. Should we do it on green? Maybe not. Maybe we'll want to do it on a different color. Do we want to do it on green? Is that a little too much on the nose? Do we want to do it maybe on a light blue with green? Let's do that. Let's do a light blue. We're going to make ourselves a grid. So I need a border. Do it like that. And I do think I'm going to want the leaves I actually like her one where the leaves are, the dots are here, 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 and here. Those are the 4 squares with the dots. The rest have leaves. I do like that. Am I going to want to see the grid? I think I do. Let's do let's do a pencil grid. I don't usually do a color pencil as the grid, but I'm going to start with a color pencil as a grid. Let's start with this Surf Green from Clover. Is my grid straight? No, my grid's not straight. Do I care? No, not really. Could I make it straighter? I could have. I could have used a variety of tools. What I think I want to do, though, do I have it? Let's do this one. And do I have a green in this pigment? I've got a blue. I've got a rose gold, pink gold, lavender, silver. No, I don't have a green. Okay, so we're going to draw in this green, I guess. That green? Or do I want to just draw in marker. What do I want to do? Or do I want to draw in black and then fill in with marker? Now I feel like I want to draw in black and fill in with marker. Okay, let's do that. We are going to draw with a nice broad pen. And I'm going to do that. And then could I have made my squares a little smaller? I could have. But you know, this is what I feel like doing today. That is the pattern. I feel like I want to make 5. Should I make 5? I don't know, but that's what I feel like doing instead of 4. So that's what I'm going to do. And then these ones go this way. This is a very simple pattern. It is. Are we just having a relaxing day and not anything super complex? Yup, that's what we're doing. Okay, and then I'm going to fill with green there. My green marker. This one. Okay. That looks cute. I like that. I want to put this line in here. And I'm putting it on top because I wasn't sure what this pen would do, if it would obscure this line. Just like that. And then what I want to do is I want to put gold inside my dots. And I'm using this Pearl-Ex powder stuff that I'd made with, where'd they come in? They came in one of the sets, one of the sets from Jazza, I think, came with these powders that you mix with a little, I don't know what you mix it with. I can't remember now. You mixed it and you created an ink, your own ink. And I'm going to use this beautiful glass pen. It's absolutely beautiful, but I don't get to use it very often. I'm going to use that to put my ink on the page. Well, maybe not. Maybe this ink is kind of old. It's been sitting here a long time. It does not seem to be mixed well. It's getting there. Should have shook it longer. If I stir it in the bottom of the pot, maybe I get a little more pigment. But it needs gold. It's St. Patrick's Day. You can't go without gold, right? All right, that's what I wanted to do. I need to clean this pen. I'm not sure that these powders, these pigments have stood the test of time, I'm afraid, but that's all right. It is what it is. I think it looks good. I need to sign it. I need to put Clover Leaf as my name here. Let's just sign it down here. Quick and easy one, right? We don't have to be super complex today. We can take it easy because, you know, you might be having a bit of beverage on your St. Patty's Day. And if you're having a bit of beverage on your St. Patty's Day, maybe drawing tangle patterns is not probably the most easy thing for you to do today. That's a possibility, isn't it? Clean off my nib. Very important to clean off these nibs when you're done. So I've cleaned off my pen nib. I'm going to put it back over here in my pen holder. I really need to clean this studio. Maybe I should do that today. I don't feel like it. That's why it's always dirty, because I would never feel like cleaning. But there are some things I do need to do. One of those is get prepared for, we're going to take a little cruise, and I need to take some of my artwork, especially the bookmarks, I think, and hide them about the ship so I get to prepare those. Yeah, you guys have a blessed day. Go do something nice for someone today. Take on the world. Give somebody a smile. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.